Best deals. 1. Ball drop. Made from high-quality PVC, this 4-tier, multicolored ball drop ramp toys have sturdier pieces that would not bend while assembling. It includes 2 spinning acrylic activity balls that contain colorful beads and shapes for even more interactive play. The ball drop ramp toy is easy to assemble and break down, making playtime a breeze while you are on the go, and very entertaining for kids. The weighted balls rattle when you shake them, really cute and popular for early intervention childhood. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Train toy set. Super fun for your kids to play push one and watch the chain effect of the dominoes tumbling over like a race. See whose domino row runs down to the end fastest. Kids can assemble it into different kinds of models according their imagination as well. Colorful and beautiful appearance can stimulate their brain and thought development. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Gun. A transparent pistol with gears will become not only a wonderful toy for a variety of games, but also an excellent assistant in training logic, visual perception, perception of color and shape, and imagination. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Activity for kids. Puzzles are fun, learning educational toys that challenge young minds. In addition to teaching and preparing them early in life, these toys to enjoy the nature. Puzzles also help children to develop eye-hand coordination, fine motor skills, creativity, visual perception skills, imagination, curiosity and discovery skills, create their own story and interpret it in their own way. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Cooking toy. Very innovative and compact design, the toy can be converted into a briefcase. Kids will carry it along, can store all the play tools inside. Convertible. Once packed, it will be converted into a trolley car with wheels, made fully of non-toxic plastic. Kids will have unlimited fun without any issue. It's beautiful kitchen set with very attractive design. This set encourages your kids' imaginative play, shape recognition, develops hand-eye coordination and enhances organizational skills by allowing children to sort and store items in the suitcase. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Foosball table. Everyone loves air hockey, but not everyone has the space to keep a full-sized air hockey table in their home. With the lightweight, tabletop air hockey, you are able to transport the fun anywhere you go. The air motor in this tabletop hockey toy makes the puck hover and glide across the entire playing surface, which makes your game even more thrilling. The puck slides around the board, making every tournament an action-packed experience. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Unicorn animal. This pushing and pulling toy is almost as loving as a real pet. Your toddler will be able to stand, roll and take it for walks. Toddlers will enjoy pulling this adorable unicorn along to follow them wherever they go. Unicorn pull toy is made of smooth, splinter-free plastic for worry-free play. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Powered cars. Designed for easy grasping. With perfect size for little hands, these push friction-powered toys are easy to grip and play by young kids. Help promotes babies' hand-eye coordination. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Shape sorting blocks. It comes with 16 shaped multiple color blocks. Bright colors and chunky size make it easy to little hands to grasp. As they drop into the shape sorting cube, fit the pieces in the matching holes. The design of a big hole on the top of the cube instead of lid to protect kids' hand avoid clamping while open the lid. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Racer ramp toy. The toy features a ramp race which helps in learning concepts of speed, distance, time and movement. It also has an abacus, which helps to learn to counting, addition, subtraction, color. This toddler ramp track toy is made of high-quality wood, BPA-free, and dyed with bright, non-toxic water-based paint. Unique top parking lot. 4 brightly colored ramp racing cars start from the highest parking lot and then slide down onto the car track, bringing racing fun to young children. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Board easel. Magnetic pieces of animals and other educational things are available in the box. Kids will try and create these animals and creatures on the white side. They will stick very easily with magnet power. It's the best partner for your children. It can stimulate a child's thinking ability and imagination space, make the children grow up happy in the game, encourage us children's creativity, imagination and hand-eye coordination. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Wobbling bell. This tumbler doll wobbles, nods its head and never falls when pushed gently. It makes soft and sweet sounds, making the baby curious and happy at the same time. Lures and excites the baby to touch and grab it. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Robot. The baby toys 1 to 7 years are brightly colored and very attractive to your baby. When the robot is moving, it will attract your baby to chase and crawl. Perfect for babies to develop gross motor skills and learn how to control large muscles which enable walking, running, jumping and body balance when playing. With this robot you don't need to stop every time you hit the wall. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Kids drum set. This toy drum is good to kids to make them understand about drum playing and things like how to hold the sticks, and what the parts of drum set and basics of sounds. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Ice cream kitchen play cart. High quality and durable enough for playing, round edge designed to ensure harmless to your kids. Sweet musics and flashlight can attract child's attention to have hours of fun. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Numbers puzzle. BPA free and environmental friendly. These puzzles are made of sturdy and smooth wooden materials which have smooth edges and suitable size that great for little hands to handle and play. Easy to pick and sit well in their spot. These puzzles are well designed and planned that provide 2 options. Great colors for young kids to practice motor skills while learning ABCs and 123s. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Toy for infant. Helps strengthen baby's sensory, motor and hand and eye coordination skills. Different colors, various shapes, unique design can develop baby recognition ability. The teachers also helps babies in teeth soothing. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Transparent bump and go ladybug. Children love toys with sound effects and listening to music. A charming musical tune is played as the plane rolls along on the ground, combined with realistic whistle, bell and chugging sounds for increased fun. Great gift idea. With lights, sounds, and bump and go action, the electric plane toy will make a perfect gift for birthdays, holidays and other gift-giving occasions for both boys and girls alike. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Musical toys. This musical toy for kids has a drum and an organ keyboard that will give many moments of joy and laughter to your baby. Playing the baby piano keyboard can increase the relationship between parents and kids, switch between drums, laughter and song modes. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Gun. More than 2 feet long gun, with flashing light, and sound effect. The gun will vibrate when you use it, infrared laser light included, 360-degree moving ammunition. 3 AA. Batteries are required. Attach the front barrel of the gun toy in the second part of the gun firmly till you hear a click sound. The music and lights will then function properly. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Dancing frog. The height of the toy is about 7 inches. Battery operated. Please insert 3 AAA batteries. Very cute toy with real dancing steps. Children can learn to dance along with the toy frog. With this moving frog, you can teach your kids about different parts of the body. Develop fine motor skills and boost hand-to-eye coordination whilst having fun. Best gift for toddler toys. Being compact and lightweight, makes its carrying a breeze. Best gift for toddler toys. Product link is given in the 21st link.